Glowberry toys, let's play! Friends, we must explore the jungle beyond these trees. Don't worry, we will protect everyone. Wings are secure, engine looks good, ready for flight. That day, the small red truck became a jungle hero, proving that even a little truck can make a big difference by helping others. This robot might be a messenger from the jungle.
I'm back from the water. Thank you again for your kindness, little truck.
You're welcome, my friend. The map showed a hidden treasure deep inside the forest.
Thank you for the ride, truck. I was so tired.
This ride is so fun. Thank you, truck. You're so kind. We love going on adventures with you.
But the brave toy heroes worked together and safely crossed the storm through the sky toward the mysterious jungle. Finally, they reached the jungle treasure location, ready for their next exciting adventure.